everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video, my YouTube channel name is Introduce. My YouTube channel name is Hello Friends Chemistry channel, and my name is Suma Shankar. I am going to talk about third law of thermodynamics. Already you know that in my previous class, and first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics is explained briefly, and this section we are going to discuss about the third law of thermodynamics. What is third law of thermodynamics? Third law of thermodynamics is says that the entropy of perfect crystalline substance at absolute zero at 0 degrees Kelvin. This is the third law of thermodynamics. First of all, you know that what is the absolute temperature, and after I am going to explain the third law of thermodynamics. First of all, you have to consider a three systems. This is system 1. These are the molecules are present in this system. What happened is the temperature is decreases. What is temperature? You know that temperature is the measure of heat, energy or internal energy of molecules is called as temperature. Temperature is a measure of heat, energy or internal energy of a molecule. Some particular system is called as temperature. Now in this system, temperature decreases. What happened? Kinetic energy is decreases. Kinetic energy is decreases of the molecules. Now you have to consider another system. This is the some amount of temperature is decreases, but you have to minimum energy of minimum temperature. What happened? Minimum temperature is decreases. What happened? The molecules is closely each other some particular time. Now what happened? This having a kinetic energy is decreases, also internal energy is decreases. Internal energy is decreases, also kinetic energy is decreases, in minimum temperature decreases. Now what happened? You have to consider a system. The molecules is present in the temperature is decreases, automatically kinetic energy is decreases, and you have to another system minimum energy. It means some amount of energy, some amount of temperature is decreases. The molecules is closely each other. Now in this case, internal energy is also decreases and kinetic energy is also decreases. Now you have to another system consider as another system. This system, what happening? Temperature is totally decreases. It means temperature is totally decreases. It means 0 degrees Kelvin or minus 270 degrees Celsius. Just what happened? The molecules having a consider a molecules. The molecules is closely each other. It means it is the closely each other. It means the internal energy or kinetic energy stop in this case. It means motion of the molecules is stop. In this case, molecule of the motion is stop. This called as the temperature is 0 degrees Kelvin is also called as absolute temperature. You know that what is absolute temperature? Absolute temperature is a 0 degrees Kelvin or minus 270 degrees Celsius. The molecules of the motion is stop. Whenever the molecule is motion of the stop, this particular case the molecules is a solid form. If we having any gaseous or liquids at 0 degrees Kelvin, that molecules is a closely each other, it's form a solid form. This is the concept of the temperature decreases the molecule. Whenever the molecules is closely decreases, these closely decreases, it means it is a crystalline form is present in there. These crystalline forms Boltzmann equation. Boltzmann relation is S is equal to K into ln W. Now K is equal to ln 1 in this case. Now what happened? K is equal to S is equal to K into 0 and S is equal to 0. Entropy is remains constant and entropy is 0 is equal to, in this case, temperature is absolute temperature. The perfect crystalline substance is 0. This expression is says that third law of thermodynamics. What is third law of thermodynamics? The third law of thermodynamics is the says that the entropy of perfect crystalline substance at absolute 0 at 0 degrees Kelvin or minus 273 degrees Celsius. This is the concept of the third law of thermodynamics. It says that now in one of the important application is present in the third law of thermodynamics. The application is that it is a find out the absolute temperature of the solids, liquids and gaseous. Now what is the important formula is present in there. Now this concept is clear. Now one of the important application, the application is the find out the absolute entropy of the solids or liquids or gaseous. Now first of all, what is the relation? Now you have to consider a system. This system is a absolute entropy is T is 0 degrees temperature. This system having a 0 degrees temperature and it is a increases to the T temperature and it is the entropy is absolute temperature. The entropy of system is S0 and this is the increasing in ST. This is the system considered as a. Now we have to find out the absolute entropy. Now in changeness of entropy is equal to what happened? Change in entropy is equal to change in initial minus change in final. Change in final minus change in initial. Now this is the also 0. Delta S is equal to ST. Now according to second law of thermodynamics, what is second law of thermodynamics? Second law of thermodynamics is says that delta S is equal to Q reversible by temperature. Now this is the expression, delta S is equal to Q reversible by temperature. Now in heat capacity, specific heat capacity, it means this system is in a applied to the some heat. Whenever the heat is applied to the system, the entropy is changes to the S0 to ST. Temperature is rises to the 0 to D. This is the concept of the absolute entropy of this. Find out the absolute entropy. Now in second law of thermodynamics, delta S is equal to Q reversible by T. Now in Cp, specific molar specific heat capacity, Cp is equal to Q by N delta T. Now we have to small change of this system. Now Cp is equal to dQ by N into dt. Now in this expression, what happened? Cp is equal to dQ by N dt. Now what happened? dQ is equal to Cp N dt. This value substituting in this expression, what happened? Delta S is equal to Q reversible by temperature. This is the small change. What happened? dQ is equal to Cp Ncp dt by T. Now this is the small change. You have to find out the total change of the system. Therefore this is the entropy is S0 to ST into ds is equal to Ncp into integration of 0 degree to T dt by T. Now this is the change in intro. This is the integration of ds. Integration of ds is equal to s. S is initial and final values is present in the limits, and ncp into dt by t. Dt by t is the 1 by dt by t is the ln t into initial temperature 0 and final temperature T. Now this value is St minus S naught equal to Ncp ln T minus ln 0. Now St minus Sg, therefore in according to entropy concept, according to third law of thermodynamics, initial entropy is absolute 0 and therefore S naught equal to 0. Now St equal to Ncp ln T, and this is the 0 degrees Celsius, therefore this is also 0. Now St is equal to 2.303 Ncp log base 10 into T. This is the formula of the find out the absolute entropy of the solids. Have to find out the any absolute entropy. St is equal to 2.303 Ncp log 10 T. This is the concept of the third law of thermodynamics. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.